Welcome back, creators. Ever wondered how those random videos end up getting millions of views, and sometimes your videos just disappear? Is it luck? Or is there a science behind how YouTube decides which video goes viral? Well, today, I'm revealing exactly how the YouTube algorithm works in 2025, and the right way to upload your videos so the system gives your content maximum reach. If you want to crack YouTube and boost your channel, this is the video you need to watch, full of real facts, surprising examples, and actionable tips. Fact 1. The algorithm is now user-centric. YouTube's algorithm doesn't just promote videos blindly. It analyzes viewer behavior, what people watch, click, and share, even at what time and on which device. The goal? Show every user the videos most relevant and engaging for them. Fact 2. Watch time is king. It's not just about how many people click your video. The more people spend time watching your content, even binging your playlist, the higher your video ranks. If people drop off in the first minute, your video sinks. Long average view duration equals viral potential. Fact 3. CTR plus retention equals viral recipe. Your click-through rate. CTR matters, the percent of people who click your thumbnail and title. But YouTube now combines CTR with average view duration to decide if your video should be pushed hard or hidden. Fact 4. Personalization and micro-niches. Every viewer's feed is custom-built by AI based on their interests and watch history. Videos on niche topics can go viral if the right audience is hooked. Even small channels get big reach if their content hits the right viewers. Fact 5. Packaging matters. Thumbnails and title. Strong thumbnails and clear, curiosity-driven titles win the click. Use 3-5 word headlines with high contrast visuals. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression, make it count. Fact 6. Next video connection. Channels grow fastest when each video leads viewers to another. YouTube rewards bingeable series and playlists. The algorithm loves continuous watch sessions. Fact 7. Content quality beats channel size. Even new or small channels can go viral. YouTube cares more about viewer satisfaction and retention signals than your subscriber count or upload history. Fact 8. Evergreen videos come back. YouTube can suddenly boost old videos if their topic trends. So upload evergreen content that stays relevant and update thumbnails or titles to ride new trends. Fact 9. Cross-platform sharing. When your video is shared outside YouTube on blogs, websites, or other social media, it sends strong signals and can boost your video's visibility internally. Fact 10. Facts about uploading the right way. Verified channels can upload videos over 15 minutes and use custom thumbnails. Verify via SMS before uploading. Export videos in MP4 format, H.264 for codec, 1080p, or 4000 for best quality. Stay under 128 GB and 12-hour length to avoid upload errors. Fact 11. SEO starts with the title and description. Front load your primary keyword in the first 40-60 characters of the title. Use your keyword in the first line of your description, at least twice in the full description, and make it 250 plus words for maximum SEO. Fact 12. Timestamps, chapters, and tags. Add chapter timestamps and SEO-friendly tags to boost discoverability. Use 3-5 relevant keywords and common misspellings as tags. Fact 13. Cert captions boost search. Upload insert captions file. YouTube indexes your words for search and also boosts accessibility. Fact 14. Timing your upload. Post videos between PM and PM for best reach, especially on Sundays when people watch early evening. Match your upload timing with when your audience is most active. Fact 15. How to get pushed by the algorithm. Combine all tactics. A curiosity hook in the first 15 seconds, a strong thumbnail and titlizio optimized description and tags. Playlist links for gain encourage likes, comments, and shares. Promote externally. Instagram, blogs, WhatsApp, etc. If people stay, like, and continue binging, you've just triggered the algorithm to push your video out. Conclusion and CTA. So, you know how YouTube decides which videos go viral. It's not magic. It's a science. If you found these facts and strategies useful, Hit like, share with your creator friends, and subscribe for weekly algorithm hacks. Drop your questions in the comments and I might feature them in the next video. Your next viral upload starts now. Happy creating!